Hey guys, today let's learn how to set out of office in Teams without an auto reply. So basically, how do you set your status to out of office if you want to proceed with getting a break from your Microsoft Teams and you want to proceed with letting them know that you are out of office and you don't really want to reply to them as of now. So in order for you to proceed with setting your account onto out of office, what we need to do is of course to launch our Microsoft Teams account. Now of course in the event that is not loading, you're going to go ahead and relaunch the application. But for those who don't know, it is all the way possible for you to actually proceed with setting out of office on Microsoft Teams. All we need to do is to basically head on over onto the option wherein we could change our status in Teams. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like over on here. Basically onto the application, what that should look like is something like this. All right, so basically onto the application, what you guys should see is the option we're in. It should be located obviously onto your profile icons. Basically, once you head on over to your profile icons, what you guys should see is this one. In this example, it is actually set to be right back. But as you can see, you could actually set a status message, as you can see here. In that status message, you could easily set or type in set out of office, or just type in out of office so that other people could actually see that you are not currently online and you are out of office, allowing them not to disturb you while you are taking your short break. And that is how you set out of office in Teams without auto reply. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.